If you were starting over again, then knowing what you know now, how would you plan a career based around governance roles?
Trying to get a career around governance specifically would be a very tough thing to do. But if you are interested in the whole PMO space, and the P in PMO stands for project, program, and portfolio, yeah, any of those areas. If you're interested in that, then governance is an absolutely crucial, I would say the most crucial part of the PMO service offering, simply because it's about decision making. And if you haven't got the decision making right, then nothing else is really going to matter a lot. So I'd be inclined to get involved in the PMO service offering. And if you do that, almost any organization you go into, there will be a lot of space to improve their governance. You know, I've seen examples of good governance on projects and programs occasionally, very occasionally. But for an entire organization to have really effective and efficient governance, I've not found one yet. And I've been doing this for 20 years as a consultant across multiple organizations. So there's a lot of space there to expand if you're interested in the governance space.
Which kind of skills and knowledge areas would you recommend somebody focus on for a career in governance?
Well, you've got to have a basic understanding of projects and how they operate and so forth, and programs, because you can't put the governance in place without putting the project and program structures in place, because they go hand in hand. Yeah, so you have to understand how to set up a governance framework for a program or a project and so forth. I think the other important thing is governance is not about project management or program management. Governance is about investment management. So you're looking at the project or the program from the perspective of it being an investment in the organization's future. And that puts a different coloring on it. So things like the business case become very, very important. Things like decision points in gating processes become very important. And then, of course, who makes what decisions? That becomes absolutely critical. Because if you're not clear about that, if an organization isn't clear about who makes what decisions regarding their projects, programs, and portfolios, I can tell you what happens. Nobody's game to make a decision and everything bubbles up to the very top. And that slows down decision making. And it also means when it bubbles to the top, it means the wrong people are making the decisions, because those decisions should have been made lower in the organization.